Okay, in my previous video I was going to tell you about radians, and what I had said here was that we had a circle here. This is one radius here, this is another radius right here, and we have this point that's in between these two radiuses, and we're calling this x and y. Of course, this length here is also a radius. Okay? And what we were saying here is we need to find the points for these two numbers right here. Okay? Now, how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to use the distance formula. Okay? So, we can take either this point or this point and use it for the x and y subscript 2. Okay? Remember, it's x subscript 2 minus x subscript 1. Okay? So we're going to use these numbers for x subscript 2. We're going to use these numbers for x subscript 1. And of course then you also have y subscript 2 and y subscript 1. And I covered all this in previous videos. If you want to know about superscripts and subscripts, you can look that up for yourself. And what you're going to do is you're going to plop all these numbers in here. And as you can see, this is how the formula actually works. First of all, we're going to multiply this out using the FOIL method. Okay, and that's how we get all this, and this is how we get all this. And then we're going to remove these square roots, because we can square both sides of the equation. And then we're going to use addition and subtraction here as we go down each step until we arrive at y over x. And I'm going to hold this up for you in just a second so you can see this entire equation. And then in my next video, I'm going to tell you the rest of how to find these points right up here. Alright, I will tell you more in the next video, so stay tuned.